Hello, my name is Ellie, and I've been asked if I would read this story to you about an unusual way to clean a plate. Let's get started. I have a little secret. Whenever I eat cake, I clean my own plate with my tongue. Some people might think it's gross, but I have my reasons. First of all, I love cake. It's one of my favorite desserts in the whole world. I love the way it tastes, the way it smells, and the way it looks. But more than that, I hate to waste any of it. That's why I always clean my plate with my tongue after I'm done. It's the best way to make sure I get every last crumb of cake. And let me tell you, there's always a lot of crumbs when it comes to cake. Some people might think it's gross to lick your plate clean, but I don't see it that way. To me, it's just another way of enjoying my food. And why waste something that tastes so good? Cleaning my plate with my tongue also makes me feel more connected to my food. I can really taste every flavor and texture when I'm using my tongue to get every last bit of cake. It's like a little adventure for my taste buds. And you know what else? Cleaning my plate with my tongue after eating cake makes me feel like I've accomplished something. It's like a little victory dance after a delicious meal. I know that I've done my best to enjoy every last bite of my cake. Sure, some people might find it a little bit strange. But to me, cleaning my plate with my tongue after eating cake is just another way of showing my love for this delicious dessert. And who knows, maybe one day others will see the value in it too. I hope you enjoyed listening to me read to you about cleaning a plate. I just remembered, isn't this like how a cat cleans a plate? Have fun, bye.